What they do so.
You know what?
Yes, sir.
You guys to go back to your work.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait. See, you get person who have for like make you carry come this shop. This person, na rat papa. You know where all the rats dey for this shop. No could just carry and enter the shop, like you go understand. You go know inside the talk. Get who else carry and come. This guy, he good. Don't worry. He good.
Are you done? I have something to do, please.
I'm ready. So, don't mind that one. Don't mind that one. For back. You know they say that person will still hand dollar.
Amen. My G! Oh, it's fine!
All the gina to Beleka, will you remember me? Obon Kusimakusa, will you remember me? Say money today, money to save tomorrow. Because on the side, this man will remember you. Gina from Beleka, will you remember me? Say money to save.
I see!
So I give you this man, no go remember me.
I see!
You don't remember me.
What's in the drum? No be OG. Just calm down. OG!
What is going on here?
Okay.
Wow.
What is going on?
Okay, nice.
Wow. Wow, yeah. Wow. When the wow here, wow.
I see!
Oga.
What is the meaning of all this?
You think it's the meaning of all that?
Oh gosh. Are you okay?
I am okay.
Can someone tell me what is going on here?
OG.
Wait. Oga, wait oh. Choma. Even you, una not tell Oga wetin happen. Now to carry big news down for this chair, they press this chair on your own. Innocent chair, una no fit tell Oga wetin happen. Which one say I tell you? Oga see make I play you tape oh. You get wetin sup for this shop and wetin I wan tell you. You get one rat. One big rat like that. Then they two. Wait now, make I tell Oga now. Then they two rats. They come bite this woman for bonbon for your shop oh. They bite, they run am. If you see na me na, trust me na. Na me still give am wrong.
You know what? Isaac,
Oga,
you won.
I'm one.
OG!
Oga, no one here.
But you can't forget me like that. How come you call me since now?
I lose that.
I didn't happy like this name now, Sammy. OG.